Hello guys. So we are gonna play another game. It's called Build a Base. So we're gonna build a base. Let's put this here and there and there. And then we put this here. No, it's so cool. It's so cool already. Oh my. Wait. I'm gonna put more. I'm gonna put this around. Hey, like that. Now, wait. Let's put some turrets like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then, what do I put? Oh, I know what do I put. Flamethrower. Here. Then here. Now we put a bow here and here. What we have to do is we cover the flamethrower. Wait, we cover with this. Oh wait, I haven't put the bow in here yet. To get so the monsters can get through, they have to pass this. No, I don't have any more. Wait, I need to buy this and put it here, and then we place a block on top so it covers it. No, wait, if the enemy is trying to go here, they will be stuck, right? So it's gonna shoot underneath. So that is a 200 million IQ. I don't have any blocks again, bro. Oh yeah, I buy a block now. Wait, I have a... What is this? Place this here. Remove this. Wait, am I right? Okay, yeah, am I right? And then, wait, we are gonna put this in the top too. We are only gonna put it in the sides, so we have more space. What is that? What? What is that? And then we put flamethrowers here. Okay, let's place this here. Oh my god, I messed it up. Okay, like that. And then let's cover the top with some blocks. Like this. And remove this too. And in the top here, we're gonna put some turrets. Wait. Oh my. We are gonna put this here. Okay. Like that. Like that. Do you see that? Like that. And then we put this in the front. Oh my. What is that? We put this. Now, wait. This is too bad. Oh. Then I want to do something. Wait. Wait, where's the block? Oh, I will put this here. Wait, it's backwards. Like this. And then we place this here. Like that. And then we place one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. We place one on top too. Now we are gonna put some blocks. Like we are gonna put this, 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 and this. Oh my, bro, so ugly. Oh my, wait, I have an idea. Let's do in the back first. Wait, let's do this in the back first. Wait, I need some stairs. Wait, I'm gonna buy decoration. Buy this, and then buy this too. And then I am gonna buy this. Okay, looks so good so far. I'm gonna put this here, here, here. You know why am I gonna do this? Watch later so you can find out. Wait, I need more blocks. Okay, like this. Do I have enough blocks? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my, I don't have enough. And now we do this. Okay, it's not enough. How about in next time that we put that, and then we put this, and on top of here we're gonna put this, this. The last one is here. Now we need more like this. We're gonna put this like there. No, wait, like this, like this. Move this. Now we place this. See? Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is I don't know perfect, but when we have blocks here, yeah, we can do that now. Beside this, we are gonna put some double minigun. Yeah, like this. So it gets more stronger and better. Like this and this. Oh, it looks pretty good. Now in here, let's put this, and this. And the next one, let's put this. I forgot to put this here. Wait. I'm gonna put some spikes. Wait. This is the spikes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, bro, just remove the spike. This is gonna take a while. Remove this. And then I will put some turrets on top of this, and that. Beside, and then on top of the minigun, put this here. Like that. Oh my, so cool. The last one, not don't forget the bow. We need more defense. Wait, is this the max? Is the max height, right? Yeah, it is. Oh my, this is so good. And then we place this here. You know why am I gonna... Bro, who is this? Who is the... You know why am I gonna place this? It's gonna be for this. Wait, there's the spike. Wait, I'm missing one block. It's because for this, look. When I do this, see? One, like that. Oh, we We have to put some spikes here because when the monster goes here, they're gonna get stabbed like this. Yeah. 200 IQ. That is 200 IQ. Who are you? I'm not even gonna start yet. Wait. We put this here, 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 here. And then we place. Wait a sec. Oh my. We place black blocks. And then we need to go to chapter 1 so we can buy it. Wait, I need to go to blocks. Oh, metal block. Like this. Where's it? Like this. I don't have any more. Are you serious, bro? Wait, I have an idea. You see this window? I am gonna do this. So it looks like it's the block. 200 IQ, but I don't have any more. Oh my god. So what I was saying earlier. Wait, let's put some flamethrowers here and to the other end. Now let's put two bow at a time. Like this. And then we put these turrets. Like this. Let's go. And then wait. And then you see this thing. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put see these miniguns. What I'm gonna do with them is wait a second. What's behind? Oh my, like this. We are gonna do it. What are we gonna do with this? If you guys are saying, we are gonna put blocks on top of them because we need block. Wait. Do I have a strong blocks? Oh my, I cannot find any. Wait, I didn't know. Let's place this here. Here. What am I lagging? This. This like that. And and now we are gonna place in the top is the double minigun. Like this. Oh, looks so good. This is gonna be a strong base, I think. Wait, we need did the blocks. Okay, it doesn't. Wait, let's go to chapter 2. What can we buy in chapter 2? Blocks. Nothing. I need metal Oh, wait, this is gonna be good. Wait, see this thing? Put this in the middle, in the last. And we are gonna place. Oh my, what am I doing? I'm gonna place blocks here. Okay, not blocks, weapons. Why is this guy watching me build? Bro, can you get up? This guy, bro. So annoying. Are you just watching me gonna build this, bro? Oh my, so good. And yeah, wait, let's put something. Let's put this for design. Put this, put this, put this, put this, this, Yo! This looks so good. No blocks in 4 minutes. Okay. Wait! A dragon flamethrower is on stock. We need 200k. Wait, let's fight. It's my base. I hope it does so many damage. Yo! Let's get to 100k. So it's the first time we are gonna buy a dragon flamethrower. Wait guys, AFK, I'm gonna do something. Okay guys, I'm back. Bro, why is this base not defensive? Wait, 3 minutes left before we stuck. I'm just gonna watch YouTube guys, AFK. I'm just gonna be AFK. Oh wait, we are now 100k. Yo, let's fight the dragon flamethrower. Yo, let's go. We have the dragon flamethrower. Oh my, this looks so good. Yo, let's place this on top of. Let's place this on top of. You look at the smoke. Oh my. Wait, tomorrow I'm gonna upload a part 2 of. So, bye guys. See you in the next video.